Let's solve this math question that says find the value of x for which 3 to the x plus 2 minus 3 to the x is equal to 30. From indices, when I have a to the m plus n, just as what we have here, this can be expressed as a to the m times a to the n. That means this expression can be written as 3 to the x times 3 to the 2 minus 3 to the x is equal to 30. Now simplifying, we see that we have 3 to the x times 3 squared is 9 minus 3 to the x is equal to 30. Now notice that on the left hand side 3x is common. So we factor out 3 to the x, open brackets, 3 to the x times 9 divided by 3 to the x, we have 9 minus 3 to the x divided by 3 to the x is 1. And this is equal to 30. Now simplifying further, we have 3 to the x times 9 minus 1 is 8. And this is equal to 30. Now our next step will be for us to divide both sides by 8. So we have 3 to the x times 8 on the left divided by 8. This is equal to 30 on the right divided by 8. Now 8 can cancel out 8, leaving behind 3 to the x to be equal to, on the right hand side, 30 divided by 2 is 15 and 8 divided by 2 is 4. So we have 15 all over 4. Now our next step will be for us to take the log of both sides. So I'll take the log of 3 to the x. This is equal to, I'll also take the log of 15 all over 4. Now we apply the law of logarithm here. The law of logarithm that says when I have the log of a to the p, this can be expressed as p log e. Now we express this like this. So we have x log 3 to be equal to, the right hand side we have the log of 15 all over 4. Now we divide both sides by log 3. So I divide the left hand side by log 3 and also divide the right hand side by log 3. Now log 3 can cancel out log 3 from here, so that we have x to be equal to the log of 15 all over 4 divided by the log of 3. Now our next step will be for us to apply the law of logarithm on the numerator. The law of logarithm that says when I have the log of m all over n, just as what we have here, this can be expressed as the log of m minus the log of n. So this expression now becomes x equal to the numerator, just like this, will be written as the log of 15 minus the log of 4 all over the denominator log 3. Now let's separate the fraction. So we have x to be equal to log 15 divided by the denominator log 3 minus log 4 divided by the denominator log 3. Now we need to simplify this further. So we have x to be equal to the log of 15 when broken down gives 3 times 5 all over the denominator log 3 minus, this is log 4 divided by the denominator log 3. Now let's apply the law of logarithm here. The law of logarithm that says when I have the log of m times n, this can be expressed as the log of m plus the log of n. So this becomes x equal to, writing this in this form, we have the log of 3 plus the log of 5 divided by the denominator, log 3, and then minus log 4 all over log 3. Now we need to separate this fraction. So x will then be log 3 divided by the denominator, log 3, plus, this is log 5 divided by the denominator, log 3, minus, this is log 4 divided by log 3. Now, simplifying further, log 3 divided by log 3 is 1. So we have x to be equal to 1 plus log 5 all over log 3 minus log 4 all over log 3. But we can't leave our answer like this. We need to make it look simple. And how do we do that? It is by applying this law of logarithm that says when I have the log of m divided by the log of n, just as what we have here, this can be written as the log of m base n. This is known as the law of change of base. So this becomes x equal to 1 plus, this expression in this form becomes log 5 base 3 minus, this expression in this form becomes log 4 base 3. Now let's check our answer to see if we're correct. Our given question is 3 to the x plus 2 minus 3 to the x equal to 30. Now this is the left hand side and this is the right hand side. Now we take the left hand side. So take the left hand side. We're going to be substituting the value of x here to see if we get 30 as the result. So this is 3 to the x. X is 1 plus log 5 base 3 minus log 4 base 3. And then plus 2. So we have plus 2 minus 3 to the x. X is 1 plus log 5 base 3 minus log 4 base 3. Now let's simplify what we have here. This becomes 3 to the 1 plus 2 is 3 plus log 5 base 3 minus log 4 base 3. This is minus 3 to the 1 plus log 5 base 3 minus log 4 base 3. Now, we're going to be applying the law of indices here. The law of indices that says when I have a to the m plus n, this is the same as a to the m times a to the n. So that means this expression now becomes 3 to the 3 times 3 to the log 5 base 3 times 3 to the, this one is carrying a negative, so we say negative log 4 base 3. And then we have minus, so this is minus 3 to the 1 times 3 to the log 5 base 3 times 3 to the negative log 4 base 3. Now, we still need to simplify. Remember the power law of logarithm that says when I have p log a, this is same as log a to the p. So I'm going to be applying this power law of logarithm to what we have here. So this becomes 3 to the 3 times 3 to the log 5 base 3 times 3 to the, well, this is negative 1, and according to the power law of logarithm, it becomes log 4 to the negative 1 as it is here. Then base 3 minus, this is 3 to the 1 times 3 to the log 5 base 3 times 3 to the log 4 to the, remember this is -1, which becomes a power here, power of -1 base 3. Then I'm going to be applying the law of logarithm that says when I have b to the log of a base b, this is equal to, so long as this base and this base are the same, the result will be this number a. 3 to the 3 is 27 times, now the base here and the base here are the same, so the result will be 5 times, the base here and the base here are the same, the result here is 4 to the -1 minus 3 to the 1 is 3 times, here will be 5 times, here will be 4 to the -1. Actually, 27 times 5 is 135 times 4 to the -1 can be written as 1 over 4 minus 3 times 5 is 15 times 4 to the -1 is 1 all over 4. 1 over 4 is common, so I can actually isolate it, which is factorize it. Now, 135 remains minus 15 remains here. And when we subtract, we have 1 over 4 times 135 minus 15 is 120. So 1 times 120 is 120 divided by 4 gives 30 as a result. And this is equal to the right hand side. So our answer for x equal to 1 plus log 5 base 3 minus log 4 base 3 is actually correct. Well, feel free to share your ideas in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video and have learned something from this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my upcoming videos. And like I always say, until next time, take care.